if we could fix the world, and I don't have any answers, to sit with each other and can I cut a length of wire and try to make a sculpture or try to make something that makes computers or talk as if a sculpture of talk and my old tools of talk, and I can't really clip and twist and form and strengthen. I don't have anything to say. All the times you go to a fast food restaurant and the poor guy behind the counter, it's not a good job. He tries to be polite, the robotic kind of polite, and say thanks, and you say thanks to him, but what he really wants to talk about is that it hurts. Put these tools up here, and are they too heavy for the paper mess? Maybe they love the coil of wire. It's too big, it doesn't fit. All our papers and the words I can't say. Please show me a format that isn't just lying about make it pretty. I actually have nothing to say. Do you know that? I got nothing, a lot of nothing, and 19 years of meditation. Were you thinking I was going to say 19 years of jail or inside me? Any of us see a land and don't know how to approach it and just stay light on the surface and the world is polluted. I can't go there and show you all the roads in me. Send me the rest. Need a rest from. Show me you know how to do the surface good, and I can see you're as messed up as I am and you haven't approached the inside either. And show me a format worldwide where you know the story. I'm sad and I'm almost crying that no one knows the story. I need you to dance with me in a story we can't find. How do you dance the steps for that? Telling the story. We need a rest. Give me the purple-gray flowers on the wall and show me your sad room of never changes and we never get anywhere and you never approach the inside, and I need you to go through a border of the inside. It's not really a country, it's just in your room of how you carry yourself. And be something for me. Be something that ever gets identity, or make a sculpture of, I know you can't get it. I've got nothing, my papers, and I show up. Does anyone have the time or isn't scared, or I have any moment when you're okay with me showing this part, that I've developed a story of inside that has a land and light and mornings and nights, rancor of oh, he's just crazy and his aliens, or what are we really? meet up with, we know that other beings, other people, we can't handle it. It's too crazy, the story. My mind would collapse. It would already collapse just knowing I have an inside. I can't connect the dots. Do you understand?